Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can activate your MetaMask wallet. So you do have to make sure that you've already installed the extension uh, of MetaMask on your desktop or whatever device that you are using, whether it's app or whatsoever. So what you will have to do once you're on the official MetaMask website is you will just have to click create a new wallet. And what you will have to do is either continue with Google or continue with Apple. So it really depends on you. And then after that, after continuing with your account, what you will do is you will basically just have to set your password and write down secret recovery praise offline. Then you will just have to confirm recovery praise in correct order, and then your wallet will now be active, and then you can now check your address and your balance and so on. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.